Are you planning to install new windows in your Park City home? Here are some common mistakes homeowners make and how you can steer clear of them. Mistake number 1. Forgetting to check for proper license and insurance. Always verify that your installer has valid licensing and insurance coverage. Mistake number 2. Settling for the first quote you get. Gather at least 3 quotes to compare prices and services. Mistake number 3. Choosing based on the lowest price alone. Look for a good mix of affordability and quality craftsmanship. Mistake number 4. Not researching the company's reputation. Ask for past client references and read online reviews before you hire. Mistake number 5. Overlooking warranty and service details. Make sure you understand the warranty and what support you'll receive after installation. FAQs you should know. How long does installation take? Depends on how many windows and the project scope. Is there a warranty? Absolutely, we stand by our work. Will you help me choose windows? Of course, our pros help you pick what works best for you. Do you give free quotes? Yes, with no obligation. What materials do you use? Only high-quality, durable materials. Financing available? Yes. We offer flexible payment plans. How do I book? You can call 435-800-0625 or visit our website. References? We're happy to provide them. What makes you different? Our quality, materials, and service stand out. Licensed and insured? 100%. Your peace of mind is our priority. Ready to upgrade your home windows? Get your free consultation today. Call us at 435-800-0625 or visit parkcityaffordableWindows.com. We can't wait to work with you.